Hey everybody, a little behind the scenes action here. This is Matthew with Earthworks, and just want to let you know that every great Earthworks video starts with a sip of cold brew coffee. And I think we're ready. Today we are here to talk about the Bubblegum Super Tunia. It is hands down one of the best annual flowers for our fall, winter, and early spring garden. This will grow approximately 30 inches and make a 30-inch footprint. You can grow it in containers, allow it to spill over, allow it to take over a container because it certainly will, or you can plant in the ground as a winter ground cover. These will pull you from October all the way till the end of May and into June. They only get about 10-12 inches tall, but they grow and spread, like I said earlier, to about 30 inches. Come check them out. We're gonna be keeping these in stock as long as we can. It is the Super Tunia Bubblegum, and it is amazing. Come check it out. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. We got some great gardening tips to keep you gardening all year round. See you guys next time.